Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long week in the shop and I got a lot of stuff done, but I was going to show you something that I got done back in December. It's the 36 Pontiac's rear end. We made this jig because we already had rear wheels for the car, and we had to build the rear end to accommodate that particular set of wheels. So instead of guessing, I made this little wheel jig, or this rear end jig, bolted the wheels up to it, got the wheels sitting exactly where they needed to sit to look great up underneath the car, and then bought all the stuff to build this rear end. And got the center pumpkin, got the housing ends, and the axle tubes. Then I bought the CFT cut to fit, CTF cut to fit performance axles. So I've still got to do that. I've got one cut down, and I've got to get the chunk and put it in and get the other axle cut down. But I was just going to show you how we came out on that. So let me get this camera spun around, and then we'll take a look at the rear end.
All right, just so you can see, this is one of the center sections. I usually buy these 5 at a time because the freight's cheaper that way. The axle tubes I buy in 8-foot stick, and I cut down as much as I need. And then the housing ends, of course, I buy those in bulk as well as I'm needing them. So got the big bearing housing ends, got the axle tube, and then the center section. So this is what the rear end looks like, all welded up. I haven't put the axle all the way in yet because I'm careful with it. These seals will tear if you're not careful, so sliding it in and out. Not ready yet. I want to go ahead and paint this rear end housing, but I've still got to put the 4-link kit, weld the 4-link kit on here. And don't forget to put your vent tube in and make sure it's on the top side. And then, but anyway, this is the jig that we made up right here where we bolted the wheels up to it. And there's another video dedicated to this. So it's worth a watch. Go ahead and check back a few months and you'll see this. And what it ended up being is 58.5 inches. And the rear end with these pushed in with the backing plate for the brakes will be 58.5 inches. And this right here represents the backing plate for the rear disc. So you've got to measure every component that's going to stick that wheel out so you'll be in the right spot. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a real short one, let you know what was going on with that car, and it kind of give you an idea of what we did. So thanks for watching. See you soon.